Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create new folder on your Google Drive. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Open up the Google Drive app. And guys, here you can see the plus icon. Tap right here on the plus icon and here you can see folder. Tap on the folder and here you can create new folder. My I'm going to give name to the new folder, and here you can see create option. Tap right here on the create and you can see this folder is created. Now if you want to upload your files to that folder, all you have to do is go to that plus icon again and tap on upload, and you will be able to access your gallery and then you can upload whatever you want to upload. So this is how you can easily make new folder on your Google Drive. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.